During our face-to-face class, our group decided to participate on HIV or AIDS awareness activity by wearing a red ribbon above our hearts. We took a group photo together earlier to show our support and unity for people living with HIV or AIDS. Even though it was a simple activity, it carried a strong message of awareness and compassion. Furthermore, while doing this, we felt a sense of responsibility and understanding. I realized that HIV or AIDS is not just about health, it is also about how people are treated in society. This activity helped me see those importance of respecting and supporting those who are affected and instead of judging them. Because we all know that people are not perfect. We are having some mistakes that cannot be answered directly. And with that, to people, rather our message, each one of us, to people living with HIV or AIDS, I want to say, you are valued, you are not alone, and you deserve to be loved by everyone. And accept by our country, by the people, and by yourself. Your condition doesn't define who you are. What I have said earlier, that we people are imperfect. We sometimes commit mistakes that is difficult to be answered. And with that, from this experience, we learned a lot. That even though small participation, actions like wearing a red ribbon can help reduce the stigma and spread awareness. And with that also, it encourages to others to be more open-minded and compassionate. Let us all continue to support, understand, and stand with people living with HIV or AIDS because everyone deserves respect, dignity, and care. Because we people living in a community, living individually, living combinationally, what does that mean is that we are living imperfectly. Thank you.
Di mo ba ako lilisanin?